This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off your activity status on Instagram. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Instagram. To enable or disable your activity status, first thing you want to do is go off to the pane on the left side, go down to where it says More, click on More. Then you'll go up to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the center pane here, the Settings pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see the How Others Can Interact With You section. And the very first thing, Messages and Story Replies, you want to click on Messages and Story Replies. And then on the right side pane, Messages and Story Replies, how people can reach you, and below that, who can see you're online, your activity status. You want to click on Show Your Activity Status. And right up top here, Show Activity Status. By default, it's probably toggled on, but you could toggle off your activity status, or you could toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable your activity status on Instagram. Thanks for watching.